cancer go kill him in there. Him a go stand there. And Privy Council now let him go neither.
Just Vybz Radio and I'm back again. Wagwan people, wagwan, nobody do not care. You see me, and if you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe now and click that bell icon to turn on your post notifications. So, you will never miss the next episode on Just Vybz Radio YouTube channel. Some people, Lizard mother or him sister, I don't know who really, but someone related to Lizard, speak up about the situation as to the verdict that came back, the result, and Vybz Kartel lose the appeal.
We go down from we kneel and we pray. If we eye water now fall in vain, the people never do nothing. The people never do nothing. We say, him a go there, the water now go in vain. He hold up the tactic where the man can tie up them and come run down the pick me and kill him. Say, nah, blood clot, prison cancer go kill him in there. Him a go stand there. And Privy Council now let him go neither. When he done, he now go have $1 left. The eye water now going vain. It's 1st of February. Every 1st of February, me remember my boy birthday the 20th of August. Vybz Kartel now come out in a business. Who want to look for me now can come. In now blood clot come out to my stand in the same way me can feel it, mama go feel it too. And she never go look about him when the pooper say look about him, he only push them and lick their head by the concrete post. And when the pooper say sitting wrong with him, she said, they let him not do him. And she come on national TV, the day of us and contact, she said, no prayers and blessing come down. In blessing run out. Blessings run out.
So she basically attack her mind also feel as to what really going on know of a bad person Vybz Kartel is and all these things, you need. I see people are comment on some really bad things about the woman. I say, woman forgot this and woman forgot that. And all them things. So like no man and me I say, yo, what make people stay so? Like, me not understand because I see how people stay. People want to make the decision for you. You're not on the rights. You come like you can't speak for yourself or for speak on behalf of anybody you can relate to what we relate to my people. Right now, if the woman's son or him brother, the woman free to say what she want to say to my people, the woman free to say what she want to say. At the end of the day, you're not a relative of Lizard. You don't know the man in personally. Then again, maybe it seems that's why people can say anything they want to say and say be a negative thing because they may know the person. They know the person that got you. Just imagine you lose a loved one. Let's say from a mother's perspective or from a parent's perspective. You lost your child, right? Because of some crime or you believe that somebody do it. You have the evidence, me don't know, and you see the person there. Who on this earth you can convince if you say you whenever the person they do it? You see me? And when you remember the relationship you have with the person there, and every time you remember flashbacks to your genuine with the right here, so that when we talk about this. You know, you gotta grieve, you see me? So, me don't want to come and go on like say, you know, fool and the duns. Me say, you give Jamaican people more while. You see me? Try relate. Put yourself in the woman's shoes. What if it was your son? What if it was somebody where you related to? Or someone to nothing. Don't quick for jump and see him on a chat phone because I'm an artist. And what I would love Vybz Kartel as a musician and him do whole heap of good work and them things here. Don't treat the way there. Because for the year family, you're not pretty different. You see me? So, I don't want to come and go on like say, yo, I don't want to bash people because people are so them people say. And like people can't talk, you see me? And that with Jamaican people. Look, for example, when a police could dig up a place and shoot a man, you never yet hear the mother say, yo, John was star, you know, say, yo, him did kill whole heap of people and in the up a place. You always the mother say, innocent man. You never yet hear the mother come and say, yo, John, no, a whole heap of things him doing, so nothing wrong. You ever hear the mother come and say, yo, he was an innocent man, he not deserve this, he not deserve that. He was a bad man, he was not this. And I see him go to other people. It's a scenario for sure, so your people just selfish. You see me? I swear. Everybody quick for jump for say you don't want to chat foolish and no man for quit. I one thing I never like the dead part. I never like the dead part which I says the man for dead in that prison. I never like the part. But apart from that, me can't complain because them related and me can't feel where she a feel. I just can't imagine say what if we have a son or a brother or somebody close to me and that I'm to him. You see me? I see them when I react to. You see me people. So at that me have to say, I mean, a lot of person will not. You have a few detractors will not really agree with what me say. No, it's different. I just saw the thing go. You have a favoritism and people that talk the truth. People that run without people that say out the street. You see me? So then I give my people comment one half and say what this. So I believe say yo is that mother or sister. You believe say them listen on the bad or they must talk based on how them feel. What you have to say? Comment in the comment below. Until next time.